Greetings, everyone. You know, I just realized I have not driven my truck in months. I've been neglecting my truck. So, today I am driving my truck. And I am so sorry, truck. Please forgive me for neglecting you. But you will be driven today. Today is your day. Yep. Today is your day. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a little trip to a little south of where I am now, a little more down south in Florida, and just enjoy the day. It's supposed to be a nice day today. Today is Wednesday, and it is I don't know what day it is. I'm not even going to try to lie. I don't know. But I'm going to enjoy today. I'm going to take my truck out because it hasn't been out of this driveway for the last couple of months. So I'm getting ready to take a little trip. That's the car. I had to buy a new car, but that's the car. Because the other car, I thought the transmission went out, but it wasn't the transmission. It was something simple. So I spent money buying a new car when the transmission wasn't even a problem. It was something simple. But that's all right. That's okay. And as I was telling you all before, I have my electric bike in here for when I want to travel on my bike. So I have that in the back of my truck, in the back seat of my truck. But right now I'm on my way. So the gas tank is full and it's time to go. So I will talk to you all later.